What's up, YouTube? Keith. Hey, today is a cooking video. First of all, I hope you're loving yourself because remember, nobody can love you like you love yourself. Okay, today's a cooking video. Today we got hamburger and we got Lipton onion soup. And I'm going to give you guys my Lipton onion soup burger recipe. All right, I spent $5 and about 50 cents on the hamburger, which is an 80% cut. And I spent about $2 on this Lipton onion soup. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna get this mixed together, we're gonna get it on the grill, and we're gonna give you a delicious meal. Let me see, boom, boom, boom. We'll give you about 4 quarter-pound burgers. Delicious, very healthy, and it's gonna cost us about $7 to $8, about $8. Lipton onion soup burgers. You're getting the recipe, you're getting it straight today. Watch this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, still push the don't like button. Hey, I can't make everybody happy. I hope this is benefiting you guys. You know, we're in a little tight times right now, but we still gonna eat good. We still gonna look good. We're gonna smile good. And we're gonna still love ourselves. I hope you guys walk today too. Hey, coming up, stay tuned. Lipton onion soup burgers. Keith. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, we're gonna get started on my Lipton onion soup burgers. This is the Lipton onion soup mix, and this is my burger. I got probably about 1.5 pounds, okay? Okay, so what I do, this bag, I'm gonna go ahead and put my burgers in the bag, my ground beef in the bag. And this is an 80-20. I like 80-20 because I like a little fat in it, especially for burgers. And I'm gonna take 1 pack of Lipton onion soup and put it in there just like that, okay? This recipe right here, I don't add any salt. I don't add any pepper. All I add in is the Lipton onion soup mix. And this actually, with 1.5 pounds of burgers, this actually takes care of it. This will actually season it good enough. Right now I got my grill heating up out there. And we're going to put this on the grill. Lipton onion soup burgers, I'm telling you. This is a winner. If you guys don't know, you know now. This is a winner right here. Lipton onion soup burger, and like I said, I just get it really good. Get it in there like that. Then I'm gonna get my little dish over here. Get my little pan. What I'm gonna do, it's 1.5 pounds. I try to have each one about 1/4. I'm trying to make about 6 burgers. Let's see. Just by eyeballing them a little bit. Eyeballing them a little bit. Let me see what we got here. Yeah. See how many burgers we can get. We're going to get 4. How about that? We're going to get 4. 1.5 pounds. We're going to have some good burgers. You know, so what I do now, get it together. Just pat it up real good. Get it ready. Put it on there. I was going to do 6. I'm just going to do 4 nice size burgers. 4 nice size burgers. I said I just eyeballed them, so of course, you know, they're not going to all weigh the same, but you know, they're close. They're close. Like I said, I think I spent like $5 and something on the meat, a couple dollars on the Lipton, but I still got a pack of Lipton left, but so now, that's how they look. They prep, seasoned, ready to go. Next step, we get to the grill. It's good, easy, fast. Man, we did that in 2 minutes and 47 seconds. All right. All right, guys, what's up? Okay, I got my grill greased, ready to go. It's nice and hot. It's about 400 degrees. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to put those Lipton onion burger patties right there on that grill. Yeah. Right there on that grill. My air conditioner decided it want to come on at the same time. That's okay. You hear the sizzle. Lipton onion. And we're going to let them cook like that for just a second. Okay, guys, let's see what we got here. Okay. Put them on the hot side over there. Yeah. Look at those good, beautiful grill marks. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that. Look at that beautiful grill marks on there. Yeah. Let's put them back on the warm side. Off the fire. Yeah. Let's get some smoke going here. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Good, juicy burgers. You know, I didn't flatten them out or anything like that because I want all the juice to cook inside. I want them to stay good and juicy. Yeah. We got good fire going. I got my hot side over there and my no flame side over here so I can play with it a little bit. Say if I want to hit it on some grill marks over there, boom. Boom, look at that. Hit them grill marks over there. Let that fire flames get on it a little bit right there. Bring it right back. Got my warm side. There we go. Looking good, guys. Everything's looking good, man. Looking very good. Nice, tasty Lipton onion soup burgers. All right, let's let it cook for a little bit longer. Okay, guys, we're back. Let's see what we got here. Okay, yeah, everything's looking really good. Wow. Yeah, those burgers look really nice. Yeah. Let's go ahead and check the temperature on them. I usually like a medium well burger. These are the same burgers that I cook for Yeti Gang TV. And he usually eats his medium well. So I'm going to check the temperature in here and see what we got. Okay, that's good. That's really good. That's good. That's good. Okay, guys, shoot, look like we got some good medium well burgers. Need to take them inside. Like I told you guys before, Lipton onion soup burgers. You see how I prepared them. 1 pack of Lipton onion soup, 1.5 pounds of 80% ground beef. Like I said, I like that because I like the fat in them. I like them to stay juicy. I didn't smash these burgers down. I let them cook good on the grill. And it's going to be really tasty. Really tasty. 4 burgers, guys. And I think my cost was less than $7, maybe $7 at the most. But you're getting good quality beef. You're getting real beef. You know what you're getting. Man, nutritious. Enough for 4 people. Dress it up really good. Cheese, whatever you want, however you want to do it. And yeah. Delicious Lipton onion burgers. Really nice. Really juicy. Really nice. Let me go ahead and pop them on that flame one more time. Give you guys a little show. There we go. There we go. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and put them on that cutting board. Ah. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm going to put them on that cutting board. Yeah. Let's go ahead and open one of them up real quick. Look how juicy that is, guys. Oh, that's beautiful. Juice just running out. Look at that. Juice just popping out of there. But anyway, guys, this is my Lipton onion soup burger. This has been one of my recipes for years and years that I never really gave up. People know I used it, but now you actually get to see it. We're in times where we need to share information. We need to help one another. This is a juicy recipe. I hope you guys like it. When you guys try it, come back to the page and leave me a comment. Let me know that you tried it. Let me know that you liked it. Let me know what you think about it. If you have some more suggestions for us burgers and stuff, leave a comment. But like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much. And remember, you have to love yourself because nobody can love you like you love yourself. See you guys soon.